Hi, we are going to share with you the design of the new Service Studio, which is a product of a year-long exploration in the domain of end-user programming and in understanding citizen developers. So let's take a look at how Luis, a citizen developer, takes the task of managing his company's expenses, which is currently in an Excel sheet. He tries to do so by creating an application. As soon as Luis logs into the new Service Studio, he is presented with a brief video tutorial that helps him understand the new paradigms and the workings of the development environment. Luis can go to the existing apps section to find apps within his organization which he has access to. Later, all the apps that he creates will also be available here. To create a new app, Luis can choose from a library of pre-existing templates from various domains or create an app from scratch. To begin with, he is presented with a simple app setup that allows him to define basic settings of the app. After this, he is presented with a clean workspace. He has access to a library with different page templates and data group. Luis prefers to have some guidance rather than having to think about what he should do next, so the system prompts him to import his data and create a data group. Once the data is imported, he can create data queries which allow him to manipulate his data easily so he can use them in his app's interface. The system leverages Luis's familiarity with Excel and presents his data in a tabular form. Luis then goes ahead and creates a dashboard page to display the overall summary of expenses in his company. He uses various user interface elements from the library like text, images, and form elements. He then uses the Properties panel to customize them. To display his data, he uses data views like pie chart, bar graph, and table, which he then customizes as per his needs. The new Service Studio also allows Luis to create a page where he can view his data directly from a data query. And as he moves through the workflow, he can create a page for editing the data using the contextual menu. This accelerates the process of creating the app. The errors, if there are any, show up at the top bar. Luis can click on them to see where exactly they are and fix them. All of the interface pages, along with the data groups in the app, can be seen in the overview and can be accessed via tabs. He also notices that he can see the relations between data and various interface pages in the overview, which helps him understand the overall structure of the app. Luis can also seek information and help about what he is doing in the Resource Center. Once he is happy with his app, he can publish it. And that's how Luis successfully completes his task by creating an app in Service Studio.